Learn how to convert your speech to text on ChatGPT.
Okay, let me show you how to use the speech-to-text option on ChatGPT. That's what this video is all about. Remember, if you are new to this channel, we encourage you to subscribe. You're going to see videos like this so often here on our channel. So you want to use speech-to-text means that you don't want to be taking your time typing and all that. And it's just not because you feel tired or whatever. There are a lot of persons out there. It's easier for them because of certain deficiencies. They can easily only speak. They won't be able to start typing and writing. So for such persons, ChatGPT is here for you. So what do? If you look at the interface here, I have ChatGPT here with me. You can see this. You are seeing this. That looks like an audio icon. So I'm going to touch it. And now, just watch what is going to happen. I'm going to speak into it. And now let's see the result, what it's going to be. So let's go about that. You could see what I did. Immediately I finished saying what I wanted to, I just use this as an example now. For teachers, you can use this. Maybe you want to talk about whatever. You want to teach anything. It's not only for teachers, it's for anyone. Whatever you want to talk about, that thing should have written down, should have used text to talk about, but you are not using your speech, your voice. Just say it. You know, the best way to do this is that you have your script close by. You know one thing, if you don't have your script, you're going to get confused. You wouldn't know what to say. But your script is there ready. So you are reading them out and the system is, getting them down there for you. So once you are done, you stop the recording. And immediately you stop the recording, it's going to bring all of this. Now, let me go through what I've just written. Hello, I would like to talk about 3 basic requirements. Just look at it. That's what I've written. Read with me. If you are going to do well as a YouTuber, number 1, you must be prepared to be consistent. Number 2, you need original content. Be sure what you know you want to talk about. That is very important. Then number 3, just repeat the first 2. That's all you need to be the best when it comes to being a great YouTuber. So let's go with this, and I think you're going to benefit from that. You can see. And one of the best things about this speech-to-text option on ChatGPT is that, unlike many other speech-to-text, whatever option or AIs out there, tools out there, most of them, they always want you to use the American accent. If you're not getting to use American accent, you're going to see a lot of mistakes in what you have talked about. So you may mention a particular word, they write another thing. But this one, gets clearly, even your intonation, it doesn't matter the type of English you're speaking, as long as you're able to say something meaningful, the system captures it vividly. So when you use this particular one, it's very hard. You see mistake or grammatical error or spelling error, you hardly see them. And that's how fantastic this is. So at this moment, if you are now thinking, okay, it has given me what I need, all you need to do, press on this, select or copy it. You've copied this, you can paste anywhere. That is how fantastic this is. So this is exactly how to use the speech-to-text option here on ChatGPT. So many of us who have been using ChatGPT as an AI tool may not have known this. That's why knowledge is very important. You have learned this today. If you look at our channel here, we are Chima dedicated video channel. We do a lot of trainings, and you can see we have a dedicated playlist on AI for educators and business. So we are going to be talking about AI, ChatGPT, and stuff like this. So if you like what you've seen here, like this video. And don't stop there. Ensure you subscribe to our channel, and also go as far as sharing this video in whatever community you belong. And if you're a teacher right now watching this video, I encourage you to join our upcoming AI for educators, our training. That one is what we call Reloaded. Things we have never taught when it comes to AI for educators in our previous batches, we're going to teach them in this particular upcoming training. So if you're interested, let me know through the comment box. I want to see you up there. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.